Hey everybody, I'm Diana Diaz and today I'm bringing you a tutorial on how to decorate your nails with Mary the cat. I previously used a clear base with iridescent shine, and for this decoration I used the acrylic nail paints by Deko Uñas. With the help of a detail brush and some white acrylic paint, we will draw up the silhouette of the cat first. Then we will fill it with the same color. Now, with the detail brush and some black acrylic paint, we will draw up the exterior part of the silhouette and the details of the ears. We will continue drawing it up and we will draw the eyes with big eyelashes. We will paint the inside part of the eye with a clear blue color and we will add the pupil with a little bit of black paint. Next, I will use a pink color paint to paint the little nose and the inside part of her ears. Then we will draw up the nose with some black paint and we will draw up the mouth. Remember to use a dark violet color for the inside part of the mouth. Then we will draw up the chin and the eyebrows. We will paint the tongue with some clear pink color and will give the effect of depth to the ears with some thin black lines. Now we will add some thin whiskers on each side of the face and a little white dot inside the eyes. Now we will draw the bow with some pink color on top of the cat's head. We will also paint a ribbon on her neck and proceed to paint another pink bow. We will draw up the tail on top of the superior bow. And now we will put a thin black line on the bows and the tail. We will continue by applying the top coat to give some shine to the decoration and to protect it and make it last longer. Now let's continue with the decoration of the other nails. We will make a pink bow starting with the center piece and we will draw it up using a dotting tool and some pink paint. We will do this procedure on each side, adding a ribbon as well. Once it's dry, we will add the animal print below the design. To do this, we will put some spots with some pink color and then we will draw them up with some fuchsia color. We will add some fuchsia dots as well. To finish up this decoration, we'll just add the top coat, and that's it! We have a perfect decoration of Mary the cat on your nails. I really hope you like this video, and I hope you subscribe to my channel to see more video tutorials. I also invite you to visit my webpage www.dekouñas.com. Bye!